Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code in your PC on Windows. First you have to open any web browser and then simply type Visual Studio Code download and click enter. Click the first link. This will take you to the official Visual Studio Code website. Here on the home page you will see a big button that says download for Windows. Click this button. The installer for Visual Studio Code will start downloading. Here you can see it has started downloading. Since I have already downloaded this folder, so I will cancel this and simply go to my download folder in my PC and double click on this installer file. This will open a setup wizard. Here you can check the agreement and click next. Now from there you can set the default location or simply click the browse to change the location. I will make it default and then click next. Again click next, and here are different additional icons or options that you can check. First you have to check create a desktop icon, then open with code and add to path. Also you can add open with code and then click next. Simply click install. This will shortly install the Visual Studio Code in your PC. Now you can check this launch Visual Studio Code and then simply click finish to open the Visual Studio Code. And that's it. We have successfully installed the Visual Studio Code in our PC. Here you can say the Visual Studio Code interface. Now here from here you can check different options or uncheck if you don't want these and simply mark done. From here you can now create your own files to write programs and codes in Visual Studio Code. Guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.